Okay, in this video, we're going to learn about... Okay, now let's look at another example, exercise 2 here. The net price of an item lists at 1,780 after a chain discount of 30%, Y% and 5% is 1,065 ringgit 33 cents. Find the value of Y. So means that what is the rate of second discount? Okay, you extract the information given first. The net price is 1,065 ringgit 33 cents. So remember, net price must be lower than list price. So NP equal to 1065.33 and list price is 1780. Okay, so we know that net price equal to list price multiplied by 1 minus D1, multiplied by 1 minus D2, and multiplied by 1 minus D3. Because now we have 3 discounts. Okay, substitute the value. So NP 1065.33 equal to list price 1780. So first discount 30%, 0.3, multiply 1 minus Y, so we do not know what is value Y, multiply 1 minus the discount 5%, 0.05. Okay, this part multiply, you can multiply directly first. So 1065.33 equivalent to, okay, multiply that part. 1780 multiply 1 minus 0.3 multiply 1 minus 0.05. So this part you get 1183.7. 1183.7. Then multiply by 1 minus y. Okay, multiply, go to left hand side, become divide. Or to issue, you make 1 minus y as the subject. So 1 minus y equal to 1065.33 divided by 1183.7. So 1 minus y equivalent to, so 1183.7 1065.33 divided by 1183.7. You get 0.9. So that is 1 minus 1. Sorry, 1 minus y. So we just want value y. So negative y equal to 0.9 minus 1. Okay, so positive 1 you bring to right hand side become minus 1. So negative y equivalent to 0.9 minus 1 is negative 0.1. So negative, positive. So y equal to 0.1. So normally rate we express in percentage. So multiply by 100. So 0.1 multiplied by 100 we get 10%. So the answer for second discount is actually 10%. Okay, now let's look at another topic, which is single discount equivalent to chain discount. So recall this now, what is chain discount? So chain discount when we get more than one discount. So example here, less 70%, additional another 10%. So here we get 2 discount, right? So actually in this case, we did not get 80%. 70 plus 10 is 80, right? So actually we did not get 80%. So how many percent actually? So how to calculate how many percent we get from these 2 discounts is using single discount equivalent to the chain discount. Okay. So the single discount equivalent, single means 1. Okay. D for a chain discount of D1, D2 and D3 and so forth. So it's given by, so D single discount equivalent to chain discount. This part is chain discount. So D equal to 1 minus D1 multiplied by 1 minus D2 multiplied by 1 minus D3. So if you only have 2 discount, you just stop until 1 minus D2. So 1 here to refer the original price. So original price is 100%. Okay, example in this case, 70% and 10%. So how many percent actually we get the discount? Is it 80%? So how to calculate? Okay, use this formula. 1 minus, so first discount is 70%. So 1 minus 0.7 multiplied by 1 minus 0.1, 10%. So equivalent to 73%. So if you get 70% and another 10%, actually we did not get 80%. So we just get 73%. So later on when you go to shopping mall, be careful with this, okay? Okay, now look at exercise 3, number 1. Okay, find the single discount which is equivalent to 25% and 20%. So remember, 25 plus 20 is 45, right? So actually we did not get 45%. So how many percent we get this one? So single discount equivalent equal to D equal to 1 minus D1 multiplied by 1 minus D2. So since we only have 2 discounts, so up to 1 minus D2. So D equal to 1 minus 0.25 multiplied by 1 minus 0.2. So how many percent? 1 minus 0.25 multiplied by 1 minus 0.2. So how many percent? Only 0.4 or 40%, not 45%. So if you want to convert to percentage, multiply by 100. So D is 40%. So that is meant by single discount. So single means 1 equivalent to these 2 discount or the chain discount. Okay, now let's move to question number 2. A wholesaler gives trade discount 20%, 10% and 5% to his regular customer. Okay, A, find the single discount equivalent to the given trade discount. So this is formula for single discount equivalent. So substitute each value. So D equivalent to how many percent? 1 minus 0.2 multiply by, so this is simple calculation, right? So to ease you just multiply by 1 minus 0.1 is 0.9, okay? Multiply by 1 minus 0.05 is 0.95. So only 31.6%. So 0.316%. 0.316. Okay, convert to percentage, multiply by 100. So D is 31.6%. So 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 5 is 35. So actually we did not get 35%, but only 31.6%. 8%. Okay, now let's look at question B. If the list price of an item is 200 ringgit, find the net price. Okay, now I show you using previous formula. So we know that net price equal to list price multiplied by 1 minus D1 multiplied by 1 minus D2 multiplied by 1 minus D3, because we have 3 discount here. Okay, substitute list price 200. So 1 minus D1 0.1 minus 0.2 multiplied by 1 minus 0.1 multiplied by 1 minus 0.05. So net price equal to RM. So 200 multiplied by 1 minus 0.2 is 0.8. So multiply 0.8. 1 minus 0.1 is 0.9. Multiply 0.9. Multiply by 1 minus 0.05 is 0.95. So equal to 136 ringgit 50 cents. So 136.8. Okay, 136.8. Okay, this is using previous formula. Okay, you calculate based on the successive amount of net price. Okay, just now we already learned about single discount equivalent to chain discount. Okay, instead of we use this long formula, what you can do is you use the single discount equivalent. So we can use NP equal to L multiplied by 1 minus R. Okay, 1 minus R or 1 minus D is still the same. The concept is still the same. So NP equal to list price 200 multiplied by, so what is R? So just now we have 3 discount, right? So this 3 discount also equivalent to this single discount. So instead of you substitute one by one like this, you use single discount value. So 1 minus 0.316. So net price equal to RM. So 200 multiplied by 1 minus 0.316. So equal to, you still get the same answer, 136.8. Okay, so when you have single discount equivalent, better you use this formula instead of you substitute one by one. Okay, you still get the same answer. Okay, now another example, number 3. A new oven is advertised at 720 less 20% and 5%. Find the single discount equivalent. So 20% and 5% is actually how many percent? So D equal to 1 minus 0.2 multiplied by 1 minus 0.05. D equal to 1 minus, so 1 minus 0.2 is 0.8 multiplied by 1 minus 0.05 is 0.95. 0.24. So actually you just get 24%. So if you want to convert to percentage, multiply by 100. So D is 24%. Okay, B, net price, NP equal to L multiply 1 minus R. So NP equal to list price just now 720. 1 minus, so single discount equivalent is 0.24. So net price is RM 547 ringgit 20 cents.